we are building a vertical capability, okay, which only talks about the requirement of the regulated entities essentially. Okay, so these are banks, NBFCs, fintechs, insurance companies, investment companies, and so on and so forth, right? So when we are talking about regulated entities, we also do understand that there is a whole lot of issue in terms of data privacy, the data residency, all of these things, okay, which needs to be taken care when you build a product like that. So that is exactly what we have done. What we have done is that we have leveraged the brains of GPT, but we have not leveraged the corpus of GPT. Okay, the corpus of the GPT is the entire World Wide Web, okay, information that has been already consumed, and in technical terms, what is known as hallucination. So if you ask Chat GPT today that tell me 3 reasons why an abacus is better than a computer, okay, it will actually give you a very convincing answer saying that why it is better. We all know it's wrong. Okay, so that's because it just tries to give an answer, okay, which in technical terms is known as hallucination. So what we need to do here, obviously the product that we build is something that is built on the corpus of a specific financial services organization that is using our application, and the data is very specific to that, and also the data is residing within the dedicated cloud zone of that particular company. Okay, so that's what Trustt GPT is about. With that, I will request Sohan to get into demonstration. Sohan leads product. Okay, Sohan, can I have you on the stage, please?
Thank you, Gautam. Good afternoon, everyone. I know it's lunchtime, but I will just need like 15 minutes of yours, and would like the attention of all the people around the open stage as well to just focus and give us like 5 minutes to showcase what we have developed.
It's demo time.
Yeah, it's demo time. So primarily, okay, the screen is not that clear, but ideally we support 12 languages, native Indian languages, which covers close to 90% of India's population. So imagine a tool which can do all the services around a particular customer of yours, giving 100% satisfaction for all the needs that they have in their own native language without even a support of anyone. Imagine that kind of a. To start with, we'll be doing 2 solution demos today. Number 1 is the product inquiry, wherein you can get all the information about the different products that a particular, the service provider is offering. And number 2 is a lead generation, right? Which is a big task in today's world. If you go to the Bharat, as mentioned by Gautam, to the bottom and the middle of the. Okay, hey, hi. Can you tell me about what all services you can provide?
This will understand English mixed with Hindi. Okay, so Hingla, because nobody speaks in pure Hindi or pure English or this kind of a thing. Okay, or any kind of a language combination that you want to have it.
I am Trustt GPT, a conversational chat assistant. I can help you with your queries related to gold loan application. I can provide you with information about the process, eligibility criteria, interest rates, and other related information. I can also help you with the application process and guide you through the steps.
Right, so this is like I'm just asking what all services you can provide. Now I can just go forward again, as mentioned by Gautam. The corpus is very dedicated to one particular service provider, so that your data sanctity remains within the organization itself and to the particular customer whom you are trying to service, because it's a highly regulated market.
So right? in this case, what we have done is the HDFC Bank's details have been consumed and the corpus has been created. So whatever answer that you see will be very specific to that bank's database itself. Right?
Okay, can you tell me about the different retail loan products that you can help me with?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
We offer a variety of retail loan products, including personal loan, home loan, business loan, doctor loan, new car loan, F-car loan, two-wheeler loan, super bike loan, educational loan, pre-owned car loan, salary plus, easy EMI consumer loan, rural loan, flexi pay, buy now, pay later on UPI, loans against securities, loan against assets, loan on credit card,
again,
smart EMI,
getting, right?
gold loan, loan against securities, digital loan against mutual funds, loan against rental receivables,
right?
loan against property, and loan against car.
But the answers can be organized, can be manufactured as per your requirement, the kind of services you want to provide to the customer, right? So I will just go ahead and discuss something about a particular loan product. Okay, can you tell me about a two-wheeler loan, because I really like a bike, I would like to purchase that one.
Sure. You can get an HDFC Bank two-wheeler loan even if you don't have an account with us. The minimum loan amount is 20,000.
Right. So here again, we have just cut short the information. So customer can play and pause the responses they are getting. Right. Again, there is a word. If okay, the screen is not clear, but you can see here there is a word under the name ORP. Right. Now, how many of us knows what is ORP? Okay, let me do that. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं ये two-wheeler loan में ORP क्या है? Again, I spoke in Hindi, but it took it in the English, right? It's the preferred language of the customer. It will do the
ORP
conversation.
stands for on-road price. It is the total cost of the vehicle including registration, insurance, taxes, etc.
Now, no bank FAQs have a question like what is ORP, by the way. Okay, this is the intelligence of the model that we have built. So it will take the context of the conversation you are doing with the system and it will give you the output that you need or you want to provide to the customer too. Okay, to give you a very basic information, right now the tools present in the market, the accuracy rate is less than 90% for different languages, even just for Hindi, right? This tool has close to 96% of accuracy in 12 different languages. So imagine the processing it can do, right? A customer sitting in, let's say Tamil Nadu, a regional manager or a relationship manager getting transferred from, let's say Ahmedabad, who is not comfortable in Tamil, goes to the customer or goes to that area as he has got promoted. Now he has been given a task to actually increase the market share of the bank or the services that he's employed with. How will he do that? He doesn't have any idea. This tool can help the assisted model also. So your agents can give the information in the customer's preferred language as they require and when they require, right? So let me change the language and show you how it gets into the other languages, right? He can add that response in this tool and it will get converted into the output language preferred by the customer through the agent application itself, right? So let's go ahead and ask some different question also. अच्छा मुझे आप ये बताइए कि मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम कितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होगा वैसे होम लोन का? Also at any given point of time during the chat you can change the language which is not generally available in the present tool, right? It's very limited. It's a menu driven one. It breaks down when you ask the complex queries. It doesn't work that way, right? So here we are supporting that kind of a model wherein even the complex queries can be resolved using this particular tool.